Hey, welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're going to do a couple of chicken thighs. We're going to marinate them, then we're going to grill them. This marinade is awesome. You know, it leaves your chicken juicy. It's a wonderful dish. Ride with me. Alright, I got a couple of chicken thighs. I'll put a little bit of sugar. A little bit of salt, depending on how much you're going to be doing. You want to do about half a cup of sugar and a quarter cup of salt, a couple of teaspoons of dark mushroom soy sauce, about a tablespoon of accent. Optional. I'm going to add our chicken breast into this. We're going to let this marinate for about an hour. And go to the grill. Alright, I went to the grill without you. So they've only been on there for maybe 5 minutes. We're going to let this go for a few minutes. Turn them over. Maybe let them get a little closer to the grill, get some marks on them. Gonna let this go for about 15 minutes. We'll check the internal temperature. Oh yeah. I did a little bit over the hot coals. The fat off the thighs was causing flare-ups, so I had to move it off. But they're definitely ready to go. Got that dark mahogany color. Take them inside and get our grub on. Get us a little bite of tasty of this. Alright, see you inside. Alright, put them off the grill. Got some nice colors, good bark. Looking good. Let's give her a taste. Let's give this a shot. Well, it's there. Good flavor. Nice bark. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, hit it with a thumbs down. If you haven't subscribed, give it a shot. Subscribe so you can get more of my videos. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.